Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. Now let us start our social science class. Okay children, so all of you listen. Okay. In the previous class we have learned fourth lesson, responsibilities of good citizen. Yes, the responsibilities of a good citizen. We have learned in that lesson some topics. Okay. Yes or no? Yes, we have learned some topics from the responsibilities of good citizen. Yes, have you understood that? Yes, I hope you have understood. Now, today we have to write our remaining classwork. Okay, children? Already we have written previous class missing letter, jumble letter meanings, fill-ups. First to answer the following. First two question answer we have completed in previous class. So now we have to write third question. Okay. So all of you take your social studies classwork notes. Take your social science classwork notes. Take all of you. Take fast. Take your social science classwork notes. Take soon children. Yes, have you taken children? Okay, now you have to write continuously. Okay, already previous class you have finished two question answers. Yes, so today we have to start third question. So leave one line and write third question. And first of all you have to write today date and day. All of you write today date and day. Have you written children? Okay, write third question, leave one line and write third question. Write the question first. Write two important points for understanding civics. Write two important points for understanding civics. Write fast, write slowly and neatly. Write slowly and neatly. It is the time to change your handwriting. Okay, you will be write good handwriting. Okay, so you have to write slowly and neatly. Change your handwriting now itself. Okay, it is the time for changing the handwriting because each day there are only two classes. Yes, so we can write easily. Yes, 1 or 2 hours only we can spend our time for studying. Yes, so we have to change your handwriting today itself, now itself. Okay, children, it is the time for changing the handwriting. Okay, so all of you write slowly and neatly, touch the line, sharp a pencil and write neatly. Okay children, so write the question first. Write two important points for understanding civics. WRITE, write. To TWO, to important. IMPORTANT, IMPORTANT, important points. POINTS, points. POINTS, points. For for understanding. UNDERSTANDING, understanding. UNDERSTANDING, understanding. UNDERSTANDING, understanding. Civics, CIVICS, civics. Have you written question children? Okay, then write next line answer. First letter should be capital. Okay children, when you start first letter you have to write capital letter. Okay, that is very important. Answer. Civic sense has to do with law abiding respecting fellow men and maintaining decorum in public places. Civic sense has to do with law abiding, respecting fellow men and maintaining decorum in public places. So write civic sense, civic civic sense, civic sense, civic sense has to do with law abiding, with law, law, abiding, 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 comma, respecting, 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 follow, 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 men, 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 and maintaining, 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 men and maintaining, decorum, 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 decorum in public places, in public, public, public places. Have you written, children? And next line, put full stop and write next line. For example, for example, 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 for example, avoid spitting, avoid, 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 spitting, 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 and urinating, and urinating, urinating in public places, in public, public places, public places. Put full stop. Have you finished, children? Third question. So all of you listen carefully. While I am reading, you have to listen carefully. Okay? Listen. Write 2 important points for understanding civics. Write 2 important points for understanding civics. Civic sense has to do with law abiding. Civic sense has to do with law abiding, respecting fellow men and maintaining decorum in public places. Civic sense has to do with law abiding, respecting fellow men and maintaining decorum in public places. Have you written correctly and neatly, children? Then for example, avoid spitting and urinating in public places. For example, avoid spitting, எச்சில் துப்புதல், spitting and urinating, சிறுநீர், recess போறது, சிறுநீர், urinating in public places. Again one time I read, so listen carefully. Write 2 important points for understanding civics. Civic sense has to do with law abiding, respecting fellow men and maintaining decorum in public places. For example, avoid spitting and urinating in public places. Okay, can you read, children? Read now, all of you. Yes, write 2 important points. Civics, yes. Read louder. Can you read loudly? Yes, you can read loudly. Yes, so read louder. Civic sense has to do with law abiding. Yes. Decorum. Yes, finish. Can you read, children? Then 4th question. Leave one line and write 4th question. What is a committee? Community. What is a community? What is a community? Write neatly, slowly. Handwriting should be neat always. Okay, children? So write slowly and neatly. What is community? WHAT. What? IS is a community. 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 What is a community? COMMUNITY. What is a community? Have you written question, children? Then write answer. First letter capital. A community is a group of people living together and sharing beliefs and performance. A community is a group of people living together and sharing beliefs and performance. A community, COMMUNITY. Community is 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 a group of GROUP group OF of people 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 living together LIVING living together 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 and and sharing 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 belief BELIEFS 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 and performance and PREFERENCES performance. See the spellings and write the correct spelling. Don't make mistake, children. When you come to school, I have to correct the classwork. Okay. So now itself you have to write correctly. Don't make the mistakes. Keep it your mind. You have to write correctly and neatly. Don't come mistake. Have you written correctly, children? Yes. Now all of you listen carefully. I have to read. So listen. What is a community? What is a community? Then answer. A community is a group of people living together and sharing beliefs and performance. A community is a group of people living together and sharing beliefs and performance. So listen carefully. A community is a group of people living together and sharing beliefs and performance. Can you read, children? Read, all of you. Okay, now can you read, children? Yes? So read for third question, all of you. Write 2 important points of understanding civics. Civic sense has to do with law abiding, respecting fellow men and maintaining decorum in public places. For example, avoid spitting and urinating in public places. Then fourth one, what is a community? A community is a group of people living together and sharing beliefs and performance. Very easy, yes. You can read nicely, yes. And today itself you have to study classworks. Okay. Each day you have to study two question answers and write in your rough note. Okay. When you come to school, I have to see that rough note. How you are studying, how you are writing. I have to see that. Okay. So every day you have to study the classwork and write and see in your rough notes. And when you come to school, you have to bring that. Okay, children? Write you and also correct yourself. Okay, children? Then next question. Okay, have you completed fourth question, children? Okay, then leave one line and write fifth question. Leave one line and write fifth question. List any 3 responsibilities of a good citizen. List any 3 responsibilities of a good citizen. List any 3 responsibilities of a good citizen. Write slowly and neatly. Your handwriting should be neat. LIST list. LIST list. ANYNE 3 THREE 3 responsibilities 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 of 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 a good citizen. A good citizen. GOOD good citizen. CITIZEN CITIZEN good citizen. Finish. Then next line you write the answer. First letter should be capital. The responsibilities of a good citizen are as follows. See the slide. Write correctly and neatly. Don't make mistakes. Listen carefully and write correctly, children. THE the responsibilities 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 of a good citizen. OF of a good citizen. GOOD good. GOOD good citizen. CITIZEN CITIZEN good citizen. RARER as follows. FOLLOWS follows. You have to write point by point. Okay, now first point, a good citizen should be honest. A good citizen should be honest. A good citizen, G-O-O-D, good, G-O-O-D, good citizen, C-I-T-I-Z-E-N, citizen, C-I-T-I-Z-E-N, citizen, should be honest, S-H-O-U-L-D, S-H-O-U-L-D, should be, B-E-B, honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest, and respectful, A-N-D and respectable, R-E-S-P-E-C-T-F-U-L, respectable, R-E-S-P-E-C-T-F-U-L, R-E-S-P-E-C-T-F-U-L, respectable. Towards, T-O-W-A-R-D-S, T-O-W-A-R-D-S, towards, T-O-W-A-R-D-S, towards. Self, S-E-L-F, self, and others, A-N-D and others, O-T-H-E-R-S, O-T-H-E-R-S, and others. Have you written, children? So listen, a good citizen to be honest and respectable towards self and others. Have you written? Okay, then second point, a citizen should obey laws and respect the rights of others. A citizen should be obey law and respect the rights of others. Okay, so write a citizen, C-I-T-I-Z-E-N, a citizen should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should obey, O-B-E-Y, O-B-E-Y, obey, O-B-E-Y, obey, law, L-A-W, law, L-A-W, law, and A-N-D, and respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, and respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect the rights, T-H-E, the rights, R-I-G-H-T-S, rights, R-I-G-H-T-S, rights of others, O-F of others, O-T-H-E-R-S, O-T-H-E-R-S, others. Finished? A citizen should obey laws and respect the rights of others. Finished? Then third point, a citizen should have self-discipline, tolerance, caring attitude towards others, and protect the environment. Okay, so write a citizen, a C-I-T-I-Z-E-N, citizen, C-I-T-I-Z-E-N, citizen, should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should have, H-A-B-E, have, H-A-B-E, have, self-discipline, S-E-L-F, S-E-L-F, self, discipline, D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-N-G, D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-N-G, discipline, comma, tolerance, T-O-L-E-R-A-N-C-E, T-O-L-E-R-A-N-C-E, tolerance, self-discipline, comma, tolerance, 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 comma, caring attitude, Caring, caring, attitude, Attitude, attitude towards others, T O W R E D, WRERDS. Finish, towards, TOWARDS, towards others, 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 and protect the environment, PROTECT, and protect, protect the environment, the environment, 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 environment. Have you written, children? So all of you listen carefully. Listen. List any 3 responsibilities of a good citizen. List any 3 responsibilities of a good citizen. Now answer. The responsibilities of good citizen are as follows. A good citizen should be honest. A good citizen should be honest and respectable towards self and others. Then second point, a citizen should obey laws and respect the rights of others. A good citizen should obey law and respect the rights of others. Then third point, a citizen should have self-discipline, tolerance, caring attitude towards others and protect the environment. Okay, again on time, listen carefully. List any 3 responsibilities of a good citizen. The responsibilities of a good citizen are as follow. A good citizen should be honest and respectable towards self and others. A citizen should obey law and respect the rights of others. A citizen should have self-discipline, tolerance and caring attitude towards others and protect the environment. Okay, can you written correctly, children? Now can you read, all of you? So all of you read one. Read louder. Open your mouth. Loudly. Read loudly. Respectable, self-discipline, tolerance, attitude, caring attitude and protect the environment. Okay, very good. Now can you read, children? Yes? Can you read? Yes. No. Yes? So today itself you have to study. Okay, start to study every day. Okay? And then leave one line and write 6th question. Write 2 qualities of a good neighbor. Write 2 qualities of a good neighbor. WRITE, write. WRITE, write. 2 TWO2 qualities, 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 qualities of a good neighbor. OF of A good neighbor. G-O-O-D. Good neighbor. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. Neighbor. Write two qualities of a good neighbor. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. Neighbor. Finished? Then next line, write the answer. First letter capital. A good neighbor should be friendly, respectable, peace, love to others. A good neighbor, a good neighbor, G-O-O-D, good neighbor, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R, neighbor, should be friendly, S-H-O-U-L-D, should be, B-E-B, friendly, F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y, F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y, friendly, comma, respectable, R-E-S-P-E-C-T-F-U-L, respectable, R-E-S-P-E-C-T-F-U-L, respectable, comma, peace loving, P-E-A-C-E, peace, P-E-A-C-E, peace, loving, L-O-V-I-N-G, loving, to others, T-O-O-T-H-E-R-S, others, O-T-H-E-R-S, others. Finish, put full stop. And second point, a good neighbor should be helpful towards others when in need. A good neighbors, A G-O-O-D, good neighbors, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R, neighbor, should be S-H-O-U-L-D, should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should be, B-E-B, helpful, H-E-L-P, F-U-L, H-E-L-P, F-U-L, helpful, towards, T-O-W-A-R-D-S, T-O-W-A-R-D-S, towards, others, O-T-H-E-R-S, others, O-T-H-E-R-S, others, when in need, W-H-E-N, when in need, I-N, N-E-D, N-W-E-D, need, N-W-E-D, need. Have you written, children? So listen carefully, all of you. Write two qualities of a good neighbor. Write two qualities of a good neighbor. The answer, a good neighbor should be friendly, respectable, peace loving to others. A good neighbor should be helpful towards others when in need. Okay, listen again one time. Write two qualities of a good neighbor. A good neighbor should be friendly, respectable, peace loving to others. And second point, a good neighbor should be helpful towards others when in need. Okay, have you finished, children? Then seventh question, leave one line and write 7. Write two civic habits which should be adopted in school. Write two civic habits which should be adopted in school. Write fast, write slowly. Sorry, not write fast. Okay, write slowly and neatly. Write two civic habits. W-R-I-T-E. Write, W-R-I-T-E. Write two, T-W-O. Two civic habits. C-I-V-I-C. C-I-V-I-C. Civic habits. H-A-B-I-T-S, habits, H-A-B-I-T-S, habits, which should be, W-H-I-C-H, W-H-I-C-H, which should be, S-H-O-U-L-D, S-H-O-U-L-D, should be, B-E-B, adopted, A-D-O-P, A-D-O-P-T-E-D, A-D-O-P-T-E-D, adopted, in school, in school, S-C-H-O-O-L, S-C-H-O-O-L. Write two civic habits which should be adopted in school. Finished? Then next line, answer, first letter capital. Keep the school clean, and do not run on the step and or jump from the table. Okay, the first point, keep the school clean. No need to write point here, you write fully. Okay, keep the school clean. K-E-E-P, keep. K-E-E-P, keep. The T-H-E, the school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Keep the school clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. And A-N-D, and. Do not run, D-O-Do, N-O-T, not. Run, R-U-N, run. On step, O-N, on. Steps, S-T-E-P-S, steps, S-T-E-P-S, steps. Or jump from, O-R-R, J-U-M-P, jump. From, F-R-O-M, from. The table, T-H-E, the table, T-A-B-L-E, T-A-B-L-E, table. Finished? So listen carefully. 7th question, write 2 civic habits which should be adopted in school. Keep the school clean and do not run on the steps or jump from the table. Do not run on the steps and jump from the table. Okay, can you read, children? Okay, all of you read 6th question. Write 2 quality of a good neighbor. A good neighbor should be friendly, respectable, peace-loving to others. A good neighbor should be helpful towards others when in need. Okay, then 7th question, write 2 civic habits which should be adopted in school. Keep the school clean and do not run on the steps or jump from the table. Okay, can you read it nicely? Okay. So very easy questions, yes. So you have to study today itself. Okay, children. Now finished classwork. Then we take homework. All of you take your homework notes. Have you finished classwork, children? Okay, now all of you write homework. Take your homework notes and put the date and day. Put the date and day. Have you written, children? Okay, write find and write fill-ups. Find and write fill-ups. Find and write fill-ups. Write fast, write slowly and neatly. Find and write fill-ups. Finished? Then first fill-up. The dash is a set of laws, practices and conventions. TH, the dash. IS is a set of laws. SET, set. OF of laws. LAWS, laws. LAWS, laws, comma, practices. PRACTICES. PRACTICES, practices and conventions. AND and CONVENTIONS, conventions. CONVENTIONS, conventions. Finished? Then second, leave one line and write second one. First one, the dash is a set of laws, practices and conventions. Okay, then second one, leave one line and write second. Dash means social ethics to be followed by the people. Dash means MEANS, means social ethics. SOCIAL, social ethics. ETHICS, ethics. ETHICS, ethics. To be followed. TO2 BB, followed. FOLLOWED, FOLLOWED, followed by the people. BY, by. TH, the people. BEOPLE, people. Finished? Dash means social ethics to be followed by the people. Put full stop and then third one. Leave one line and write third one. India is a country. India is a dash country. India is a dash country. I-N-D-I-A. India is a dash country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. India is a dash country. Finish. Then fourth one. Leave one line and write 4. Civics means of a dash. C-I-V-I-C-S. Civics. M-E-A-N-S. M-E-A-N-S. Civics means O-F of a dash. Civics means of a dash. Finished, children? Have you finished your homework? Okay. So you have to find the answer from the book, page number 25, 26 and 27. You have to read the lesson full and write the correct answer. Okay, children? All of you have to read the book. Okay, so that only I given the homework like this. Okay, children? So you have to read the book and write the correct answer. Don't make wrong answer. Okay, don't write your own answer. You have to write the correct answer. So find the book, find the answers from the book and write the correct answers. Okay, children? And also you study your classwork today itself. Okay, you can't study means only a day you have to study 2 or 3 question answers. Okay, so every day have to study classworks. Okay, then only you will get more marks. Okay, children? Can you understand? So study, children. Okay, then we will see our next class. Okay, so have a nice day.